next question. The value of k for which system of equation has infinite solutions. Okay, so equations are x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 8 and 3x minus 4y plus 8z equal to 7. And there is this third equation given, so I need to find the value of k for which this system of equation has infinite solution. Okay, so first of all, just eliminate one variable from here. So I am multiplying first equation by 3 to get rid of this x and to get the equation in y and z. So it will become 3x plus 9y minus 15z is equal to 24. Subtracting equation, this second equation from this third equation, what do I get? 3x get cancelled, 13y, and this is 8 and 5 minus 23z is equal to 17. So this is a new equation in y and z. I am reducing this equation in smaller equations, or the equation in two variables, so that I can comment easily on the number of solution for that equation. Okay, so next set of equation are 3x minus 4y plus 8z is equal to 7 and 15x minus 7y plus k times z is equal to 52. Now in this equation also multiply this equation by 5 to get rid of variable x. So it becomes 15x minus 20y plus 40z is equal to 35. Now let's just subtract this equation from the above equation. So minus 15 plus 25 minus 40 minus 35. So 15 get cancelled and it becomes 13y, and this is plus k minus 40z equal to 52 minus 35. So 20, this is 17. So I know these equations, when solved simultaneously, reduce to these two equations. And for these two equations to have infinite solutions, I know the coefficient of all the variables and constant term must be equal. So for the condition for equation to have infinite solutions, this 13 upon by variable of y 13 must be equal to variable of z, that is minus 23 upon k minus 40 must be equal to 70, this constant upon this constant. So from here I can find the value of k by considering any one situation. So from here minus 23 k minus 40 is equal to 13 upon 13, that is 1. So from here k minus 40 is minus 23. So k becomes 40 minus 23, which is 17. So for k equal to 17, this set of equation has infinite solution. So correct answer to this question is value of k is 17.